In this video, we're going to be talking about king making. Now, first of all, what in the world is king making? It allows you to create a top 10 or a top 100 list of a certain industry. If you do this, this allows you to become an authority of your space. Now, if you're interested to hear more, there's going to be 3 tips that I suggest. So if this is something that you're interested in, let me know in the comment section down below to let me know what kind of industries that you're interested in. Step 1 is being specific. You have to really niche down into the industry and what is this list for? This is important because if you're too broad, people aren't going to pay attention to you. If you niche down, this allows you to be able to stand out. Step 2, you have to create a list. Now that seems obvious, but so many people talk about, oh, I think about this person or not. They just don't do the work. Write down a list, a top 10, top 50, top 100. Write it down. Write down everyone's name, everyone's company, whatever it's going to be, and then write a little bit of a blurb about each company or person that you put on the list. Step 3 is sharing the list. Now remember, you have your top 50, top 100, top 10. You have to give this list to the people that have been nominated. Why? Because everyone loves talking about themselves. It's the truth. When you win something, when you're nominated, you want to tell people. If you do this, this allows your list to become more viral. And guess what? You put it together. So you get that authority because you curated this list. What can you do with this for your brand? This allows you to become the authority. And with that, now you can pivot and do other things. For example, you can get sponsors perhaps with this list, or you can become more influential so you can interview all the people that were on that list. Then with the interviews, again, that builds your authority. You can put that as a podcast on YouTube, something like that, to allows you to elevate your brand. With that list, also with all the interviews that you've had or showing your own brand or being able to be side by side with some of the people you interview, now when you try to go for speaking engagements, you're trying to be on conferences, all these things, you have a portfolio to talk about the top list or this curated list that you created for your industry and all the people that you spoke to in creating this list. One more thing, what we have in this next section, we're actually going to show you how you can be using software to schedule all of these things to make sure this is a reality. It's great to hear about these ideas, but if you don't actually do any of these things, there's no point. So let's look at how you can start doing this with using something called Publer. Okay, now that we're on publer.io, right here, this allows us to schedule different posts. And so right here, we have 100 no-code business ideas. Now, this business ideas, this is a ranking system of all of the ideas that you could be having in no-code, but also it's a video of mine. So it goes back to my YouTube channel, which I could get more subscribers, but also it's promoting different no-code tools. So I can go there and say, hey, number 1, in no-code, I would create a job board for a specific niche. I have Niceboard as that platform, and then I can show the video that corresponds with that, and I can make a post. So I can copy and paste what that says, put it in here, and I can schedule it. So if I have a list of 100 plus, I can schedule out all of those things, have them go out for my Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, all those things, and have it done for the year. And then I can take the time, either email that company or make sure that I have their handle on social media so they know that they've been nominated or mentioned on this top 100 list. And again, the credibility is there, and that allows you to have more authority, and they see that there's a bigger space. You're doing a lot of things for the industry. That also allows them to perhaps interview you, do collaborations, do whatever with your own personal brand or your business. So again, you becoming that kingmaker that allows you to do a lot long term with your brand. In the comment section below, let me know why you're excited about king making or becoming a kingmaker and what you plan on doing with your business. If you have questions, make sure you put it down in the comment section below. I read every single comment and we'll look for solutions. Also, if you like videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up or you subscribe to this channel because we're always creating content like this for you to position your business, scale your business with no-code tools, really get to the next level. So I'll see you in the next video.